Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to add clients to Vagaro. Now, I know that a lot of you are using Vagaro to manage your business, and adding clients can be a bit of a hassle. But I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to add clients to Vagaro. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not affiliated with Vagaro in any way. I'm just a small business owner who uses Vagaro to manage my own business. So, what I'm going to share with you today is just my own personal experience. Okay, let's get started. Method 1. Adding clients manually. This is the most basic method, but it can be time-consuming if you have a lot of clients. To add a client manually, simply go to the Customers tab in Vagaro. Then, click on the Add New Customer button. Enter all of the client's information, such as their name, address, phone number, and email address. Once you've entered all of the information, click on the Save button. Method 2. Importing clients from a CSV file. This is a great method if you have a large number of clients. To import clients from a CSV file, simply go to the Customers tab in Vagaro. Then, click on the Import Customers button. Select the CSV file that contains your client information. Once you've selected the file, Vagaro will ask you to map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Vagaro. Once you've mapped the columns, click on the Import button. Additional tips. You can also add clients to Vagaro when you book an appointment for them. You can add tags to clients to help you organize them. You can export a list of your clients to a CSV file. Adding clients to Vagaro is easy once you know how. I hope this video has helped you learn how to add clients to Vagaro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.